Ooh, we got Pop Culture, Airwolf, Hot Wheels, Attack Helicopter, Airwolf Helicopter. All right, just got it in the mail. Card's in pretty good shape, damn near perfect. But we got to do it. All right. Looks like he's got a little stand right here. Na 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 blah 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 blah. Hey 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 hey. Not doing a good job, am I? There we go. All right, inside the package, it's got this little guy to hold it in place. Tried to keep the card in pretty good shape, I guess. It looks like it's about the same size as the Chara Wheels version from Japan was a bunch of years ago. But I don't think it's the same casting for a couple reasons. Number one, the way the propeller or the main rotor's held in is not the same. And number two, I don't know where I put my Chara one, but it had landing gear wheels. And it just looks a little different from what I remember the Chara looking like. And I think the Chara did not have a tail rotor that spun. And what else do I remember about the Chara? I think this just looks different than the Chara Wheels one. But there's your, let's see if we can focus a little better on that. Your Airwolf, new Pop Culture, 2025 Hot Wheels, Airwolf. The bottom says Mattel Indonesia, UCS LLC, I assume that's Universal, JBL56, which might be some sort of model number. Different than that model number. Looked like there's a little bit of a chunk missing out of the casting right here, back where the two pieces meet. I'd approximate like N scale, maybe a little bigger than N scale. I don't know. It's pretty small though. I mean, it's the length of a standard Hot Wheels car. And if I remember, the Bell Triple Deuce helicopter is a pretty big guy. So yeah, this is a little bit off scale where the rotor is in the body, and this of course is way off scale, the weird round thing around. Around that tail rotor there. Why is it so blurry, man? Apologize for the blurriness. And the Chara also did not have the yellow tips on the rotor. All right. And of course, the Chara is also crazy expensive to get your hands on. Always has been. So let's put this bad boy on here. It's kind of got a keyhole. And it sits upon your desk like so. All right. And there is the 2025 Airwolf Pop Culture Hot Wheels Premium Airwolf helicopter. She's beautiful. Here's the new little lady sitting with the old school Ertl lady. Ertl lady is quite honestly almost twice as long. I can't lie to you, like I've had this one since I was a kid. I had one when I was a kid, but I tore it up because I played with it all the time. But cheers to Hot Wheels for making another Airwolf.